Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to keep your ACER Chromebook 315 from sleeping. First of all, you have to open the control center in the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap the gear icon to open settings. Now in settings, navigate all the way down to system preferences on the sidebar and open this tab. In this tab, select power, and then here you'll find your sleeping settings. There are two settings, both for plugged in and on battery modes, and so you can change them in the very same way by expanding this list. And if you want to keep your device from sleeping, you have to select keep display on. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.